Okay, now we're on to the second part of 4.3, which is just mainly focusing on how when you divide by a negative number, it's going to change the direction of your inequality symbol, okay? So, when you multiply or divide each side of an inequality by the same negative number, the direction of the inequality symbol must be reversed for the inequality to remain true. So then they give you an example. And that's the same goes for division and multiplication. Okay. Wait, let me make sure you got all of that because I was like moving it around. Okay, look at all that. Okay. Solve negative 3 over 2n is less than or equal to 6. So 3 over 2n is less than or equal to 6. I have to multiply it by 2 over negative 3 and then 2 over negative 3. That's going to cancel. We have n. Since this is a negative and we multiplied by it, we have to reverse this. And then 6 times 2 is 12 divided by negative 3, so we get negative 4. And then graphing it, oops, that's a 0. Graphing it, we're going to get 0, negative 4. This is going to be filled in, and n is greater. Okay. So I'm going to do like 2 of these, and you can do the other ones. Multiply by negative 3, multiply by negative 3. We have x, switch because we multiplied by a negative number, and then 12. And then you can graph those on your own if you would like. Okay. And now we have this one. I'll do 9, and you can do the other two. So 12 is greater than 6 over 5m. So I have to multiply by 5 over 6 to get rid of these, and then multiply by 5 over 6. So I get negative 60 over 6, and I had to switch my sign. Oops. And then m. So I have that m is greater than or less than negative 10. Oh wait, I didn't have to switch my sign because I just messed this up. Which should just tell you that even teachers make mistakes. Okay, they tried to trick us by doing negative number stuff, but so since I had to multiply by 5 over 6, I'm not multiplying by a negative number, so I don't have to switch the sign. So it's still going to be 12 times 5 over 6 is greater than or equal to m. So then that is negative 60 over 6 is greater than or equal to m. So m is less than or equal to negative 10. Sorry about that. This is right. I hope you caught me along the way. Okay. And then it says to solve this and graph it. So negative 3, negative 3. So we have z. Oops. And then we switch it. So now it's less than 1.5. Okay, because this is a negative and that's a negative, so it's going to make a positive. And then if I graph it, I have my 0, my 1.5. It's going to be an open circle, and the arrow goes this way because z is less than. Okay, so I'm going to do like 2 of these, and you can do the other 2. So divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. We have z is greater than negative 7, and then I'll just do this one right here. So divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. We have a, and switch the sign, is less than 9 halves. Okay? And then so I'm going to graph these. So we have -7, open circle, and z is greater than, and then we have 9 halves, open circle, and a is less than. Okay, and then please do these other two. And the exit ticket is right here, so please, I'll do one and you can do the other. So multiply by -3, multiply by -3, x is greater than or equal to, because we have to switch the signs, the way the sign is facing, and then 27. So graphing that, I have a 0, a 27, filled in circle, and then that just totally ruined it. Okay. So 27 filled in circle. It's a lot harder than it looks to do this on here, but that way. Okay? And then please do this one. So have a good night. Make sure you did both the 4.3 videos, and I'll see you tomorrow.